Until the last few decades, very little was known about what causes autism. Even now, with such technological advances, much remains a mystery. This is because autism is complex and varies tremendously between individuals, age groups, and the sexes. The simple fact of the matter is that there is absolutely no consensus on precisely what causes autism.
So the cause of autism is a question that I get frequently. The difficult answer is we're not 100% sure at this time. There are lots of studies that are looking at the root cause of autism because with so many more kids getting diagnosed on the spectrum, there's so many more questions about why and where does it come from, and parents asking, did I cause this, or what did I do to cause this?
We don't know for certain, but most scientists would agree that it's some interaction between biology and environment. So genetics are involved, biology is involved, the environment to some extent is involved as well. So the root cause, the absolute cause, we're not certain about.
So the root cause of autism is not fully understood. There are approximately 1,000 or more genes that have been associated with autism or with the autism spectrum disorders, but none of them specifically has been found that diagnoses patients with autism. You can have those genes and not have autism. It's also heritable, which means it's passed down to generations. In some cases, there's a higher prevalence of autistic behavior and ASD in families.
The root cause could be some highly complex combination of internal and external forces acting upon a child's development, or, as some other experts now claim, it could be as simple as bad posture affecting the neurovascular system.
What I've discovered with working with autism is that there is actually something that all these kids share, and that is postural imbalances, motor coordination deficits, lack of proprioception, and gait abnormalities. Therefore, I postulate that the underlying structural issue that leads to the symptomatology associated with autism actually comes from the poor posture.
The child may be introduced to toxins, environmental toxins, other toxins, and if their microbiota is not perfect, then those toxins cannot be ushered out through the digestive tract the way it should be. Probably the reason that the child manifests autism.
So the root cause of autism, I think, is something that it's a moving target. I think that we've gotten better at identifying some of those root causes. The genetic world has started to really piece together a picture of some of those microarrays or genetic combinations that attribute to autism.